Sir, Mamata Banerjee said there is no need of any cooperation which kills the people of Bengal. I mean, this is DVC.
See, according to the DVC legislation, the West Bengal government is an integral part of the DVC. The representation from the West Bengal is very much necessary. But Mamata Banerjee somehow always trying to make a environment that this state, that is the West Bengal, state of West Bengal, is not a part of India. So she is trying. The people of Bengal will teach her a lesson.
So, Chief Minister has also said that the state gets flooded only when DVC releases water, not during the rain.
See, this is the mindset of Mamata Banerjee. She always put the liability on the others. Even ask her whether she has taken any initiative in last 1 year to counter this DVC thing. Last time also, Mamata Banerjee coined the same term that it is a man-made flood. So if you are aware of that man-made flood, so you should have taken some initiative. Whether have you taken any kind of initiative in last 1 year? You won't be able to tell any step. Even the others dam, those are in the statehood, under the statehood of West Bengal. Even there, the management is not good. The water retention capacity of these dams, those are situated in West Bengal, is decreasing day by day, because with the time stilting happens. But no upliftment of stilt has been observed by any one of the state, because there is no money. The TMC government is bankrupt, and that's why this kind of incidents happen.
So what about the international investment in Bengal?
Mamata Banerjee's Bengal is not ready for investment, but our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to bring the investment from USA to Kolkata. But I feel, I have that opinion that if investment comes, it is very good for our state. But whether our state is ready for it, because again they will start the tolabaji, extortion racket. If you start a extortion racket, maybe in Kolkata, in Newtown, then this type of company, they will leave Kolkata and they will shift to other places.
Sukanta, one last question, that a number of tail derailment has been occurring in North Bengal, particularly in the first few months. Your take?
See, our minister, Honorable Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is a very, she is a very efficient officer, minister, and Ashwini Vaishnav ji is looking after the things, and all things are under observation. Railway is trying to find out the causes behind this kind of derailment, because there may be some local interfere in the rail track. This kind of incidents are reported from different part of incidents have been reported from the different part of the country. So we should be cautious about it.
So, Anupata Matharu returned back to Bengal today.
See, a chore, a thief, who returned back to the state. So what is the glory in it? Again, the investigation is going on. Again, charge sheet will be framed, and the judiciary will decide how many days he has to again go to jail for how many days.